3D printing is a manufacturing process, more commonly known as additive manufacturing, taking advantage of building a part layer by layer, as opposed to subtractive manufacturing, which is cutting away the part out of a billet or hog of a material, either metal or plastic, whichever you are starting with. The advantage of 3D printing or additive manufacturing is adding complexity to the part does not add any time or cost. So additive manufacturing provides alternatives that will allow for efficiency benefits, cost reduction, and also take advantage of unique attributes for design.
OPM makes over 600 parts for the CST-100 Starliner for Boeing.
Well, he went out and then he started.
That's great. Just ignore what I do.
And so it's off. And how accurate it is.
So take it to its first state and then just tell me that again.
Other map on it.
Okay, and I'm going to be close on the, very close on the screen. So just one more time.
All right, let me get back there.
Thanks.
All right, so
The parts that OPM is manufacturing here enables Boeing to take advantage of weight reduction, cost reduction, scheduling advantages, and will give them a leg up to competing companies manufacturing the Starliner.
Weight savings is incredibly important when you're putting things up in space, and we've been able to reduce hundreds of pounds on the crew capsule by Boeing's measurements, approximately 60% weight reduction on the parts that we produce.